welcome to day 15 of hashtag 21 days to good skin. Summers are already here and I feel like turning on the AC already. So today, to save your skin from all this heat, I have a face mask using the summer favorite fruit, muskmelon. I'm gonna add a spoonful of gram flour in it and a spoonful of lemon juice in it. This face mask is so appropriate for summers. It'll give you a nice cooling effect and also will leave your skin soft and supple at the end. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. I kept the mask for 10 minutes. Now you can see how there's a visible difference. Two, three things which I wanted to point out. First is that it's a sticky fruit. Muskmelon is sticky. So make sure that you add something or the other inside it and for the pack. If not gram flour, if that doesn't suit you, you can add honey or anything else. But do add something because then it will be really difficult to get it off your skin because it's sticky. Other reason, which is a good side of it, is that it has a lot of water. The fruit has a lot of water, so it will provide the right hydration, moisture. All in all, it's a great face mask. So try it out, guys. And I will see you tomorrow in yet another episode. Bye.